in Business Central version 18 and above, we have the ability to return most of the complex types from methods, like the record, HTTP client, record ref, and all that. So, or arrays, we can have them as the return type for methods. And this is a method example that returns a complex data type in the form of an item.
Hii ni Tech na Msangi ya jishinde.com.
So if I'm to use, I've defined this procedure and I've been able to say that the procedure returns an item. If I'm to use if I'm to get maybe the item, I reset it and then set filter, or let me say the item with that name. Okay, it's supposed to be description. Item name. I can change this to description. To item description, and we can have item description here. And so if we just say item.find first, it will return this item with the description that you have passed here, and it will be an item that has been returned. So maybe it could be the top item that you're searching for. Maybe the code here will be returning the top item, or maybe the item with the lowest quantity or something, depending on your requirements. And you can now be able to use this same procedure. If we define, let me say, the trigger on run, let's do this, maybe a L complex method, and then we have our description there for the item. So we can now get the number. So we have access from the complex method directly to all the methods of this item, because it's returning an item. Okay, it can give us the ability to have better code in a way, but it's always good to have maybe to define an item. Okay, this is the ability that we have, but okay, unless this name is so descriptive, then we can leverage this in this way, or pass it as an input to another method, as long as we are sure we have really handled how this one works. But this is just an example of how we can be able to return complex data types. So in the event that we need methods to return complex types, then we can be able to use them. So let me try record ref. Can have that as well as a return value. Let me return my item, and maybe an array as a return value as well, and several others. So it's good to have okay, of course, with that complex types, you get to have you retain the single responsibility principle, where we are returning one type, but at the same time we are returning a type with all the available complex functionality that types gives us. So the code will be more readable, because we are, instead of maybe only returning the item name, or maybe the item number for one method, get item number, the second method get item name, the other one get and maybe item something, we can basically be able to return the complex data type. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in day 26 of 30 days of AL programming.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss the next one.